Hey, what's up, everybody? So, in this video, we'll discuss dictionaries, which is another important data type in Python. And dictionaries are an unordered collection of items. That means you will find the elements in a key value pair. So, let's see if here I have declared an empty dictionary, right? Now, yeah. So, yeah, I have I have populated I have populated this dictionary with two elements, and you can see that uh, the key here is name. The keys are name and age, and the values are Rahul and 23. Okay, and if I print this, yes, so I get the values. It would print the values, right? And same, so the values here can also be a list. Okay, so let's say name is Rahul, and you can have a key here as 2, which will represent a list of features. So male 23. Okay, so yeah, so here the key is name and 2. Okay, so 2 is just a representation of 2 or more traits. Okay, so male 23, which is enclosed in a list. So the values here can also be a list or a tuple, not just a string or a number. So there is one more way you can create a dictionary, that is by using a list of tuples. So what we will do here is you will take the key and value as a pair of tuple and 2 or more tuples as one list. Okay, so let me show you. So a equals to empty dictionary, and a equals to, yeah, there is a list, and inside that list we have 2 tuples, and inside the tuples we have the key and value pair. Okay, so the keys here are 1 and 2, and the values are EFG and GHT, right? And if you print a, it's EFG, and yeah, so it will print with the key as 1 and 2, and the values will be EFG and GHT, right? So let's see how when it was a list we used to do it by mentioning the index. Here we'll just mention the key. So printing a of 2 will give GHT, because GHT is paired with the key 2, right? Printing a of 1 will give EFG, because the value which is paired with key 1 is EFG. And similarly, you can print a dot get 1, and it will print EFG. Okay, but if you mention an index which is not present as a key in the tuple, it will show an error. Okay, and if you use get, it will show none, because 3 is not present as a key. But you can add a key value pair without creating the entire dictionary again. So how it is done? You can just write a of 3 equals to trf. So it will add a new value. No, it will add to the dictionary with the key as 3 and the value as trf. And if you print it, yeah, so you can see a new element has been added to the dictionary, right? And with 3 as the key and trf as the value, right? So that's how you add elements in a dictionary, right? And to remove an element, it's very easy. You can just, and if you want to change an element, that can also be done, provided you mention the right index. So let's say I want to change the value which is associated with 2. So I'll type a of 2 equals to ert, and if I print a, yes, you can see that it has been changed, right? And to delete an element is also very simple. You can just use the pop function, and you can also see which element, which values is getting deleted, and you can also check that which value is getting deleted using the print function. So let's say I want to delete the value which is associated with the key 2. So I'll just print a dot pop 2, and ert got deleted. And if I print the list, yes, you can see that the second element, which was 2 ert, which was the second pair, where 2 is the key and ert is the value, it got deleted. Okay, and if you just use the function uh, a, a del, right, del a of 3, that will also serve the purpose. And if you use clear function, it will delete all the elements from the dictionary. A is not defined because I have deleted it. And also you can make copy of dictionaries here. So let's say if I have a dictionary with name, age, degree, and I want to copy this to, and I want to make a copy of this dictionary. So y is equals to x dot copy, and if I print y, yes, I get the same dictionary but in a different variable. Okay, and now let's say if you want to change the values for multiple keys at once, right? So for that you need to use a function here. So if I have a list, and if you want to print the list with in a list and tuple form, you will type y dot items, and it will show you, it will print the dictionary as a list where the elements of the list will be in form of tuple. Okay, not form of tuple, they are actually tuples, right? And if you want to just print keys and values, you can do them separately as well. So y dot keys will print keys for you, y dot values will print the values for you. Okay, and if I declare an empty, and in case if you are interested in knowing all the methods and attributes of a dictionary, you can just simply declare an empty dictionary, and then you can just print dir e. It will print all the attributes, all the methods which are available in a dictionary, and you can check them one by one to see each keyword functions. So you can print the elements of a dictionary like loop. So you can also print the elements of a dictionary using a loop. So I have yeah. So I just printed them using print, and for loops, for if I want to use a loop for elements in y dot items, print elements. So yes, it will print the items for you, right? So the way it has printed the elements of the dictionary, that in form of tuples, right? So these were some basic operations of a dictionary. We'll see more of it when we apply them in real time projects. And also let me know the topic or a language which you want me to teach on this channel, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.